Hello tubers, good day. It's September 8th. It's very cold, it's about 11 to 12 degrees Celsius, and well, as you may have seen in some other vids, there are tracks in the streets because of the tram. And I just saw a tram coming, so let's see if we can catch up with this tram. Well, it's about 5, so it's a bit crowded. Well, here it comes. There's the other tram. Let's see. Well, here it is. I'll just park my car here. Here he comes. We got a very efficient tram system here in The Hague, so we don't have to wait any longer than 5 or 10 minutes. These guys are fast. Well, it's rush hour, as you can see. See here on the tracks, plus the power lines above. Let's speed it up. Let's see. Oh, 50 is only allowed here. Don't go too fast. See, it has got a separate way, so as a car you're not allowed to go on this track. So don't cross the white line. They don't like it. I think he's going faster than we can go at this moment in this traffic. Watch out, there's a speed camera here, red light camera, so watch out. Yep, it's going faster than we can. Well, just passing the shopping mall with the Dutch Automobile Club. Pedestrians have right of way on the zebra. Well, he's definitely going faster. We can't go that fast. Patisserie, nice bakery, hair shop, design shop, the bank. And this is a tram stop, you see. It's a bit higher, so everybody can get in and out without any obstacles. See? Well, hope you liked it. Be seeing you. Bye bye.